Good morning sales. Good morning sales brings you skills that are both practical, simple and work immediately. They help to improve your processes, your sales and ultimately your business. They may even benefit your personal relationships. If you enjoy this video, then please comment and share. Connect with me here on LinkedIn, or alternatively head over to YouTube to Alex Berry. The link is in the comments below and you can catch up on all my previous sales insights. As part of your sales communication toolkit, direct messaging is without question going to be part of it. Today's little video deals with one of the most important aspects of direct messaging: read reply. There is nothing more frustrating for a customer than somebody who sends a direct message as potentially requested either on your website or Instagram or socials, but more importantly that you then read, which they know, but don't reply. So, my advice to you is as follows. Number one, if you read the message, be prepared to reply immediately. Doesn't matter if the reply is simply a holding message to say that you'll deal with it at a later date, but make sure you do, of course. Alternatively, try to reply immediately. This could be the difference between you getting that sale or not getting that sale, between you getting this contract or not, and more importantly, between you keeping a customer or maybe losing a customer. So whatever happens, if you haven't time to read it, don't read it. If you do have the time, then read and reply. I hope you found today's video useful. More importantly, have a fabulous week and keep selling.